Hey everybody, thanks for checking out this video. If you like the content I'm putting out, please like, comment, and subscribe. And hope you like this video. Hey everybody, so I'm going to relate my experience with Temu. So if you get tricked into downloading the Temu app on your phone through an advertisement or something like that, the way it works on the phone and the way it works on the computer are completely different. The computer is pretty much straightforward, kind of like similar to Amazon or whatever. You might be able to get some coupon codes or something in your profiles offers section. But the app runs very similar to a game these days. You know, pop-ups and spin the wheel for discount this or 90% off or free items or whatever like that. And if you read the small print, whenever the wheel spins or whatever it is, you're guaranteed the best outcome, whether it's, 99% off or free or ×2 or whatever the gimmick for that particular ad is. Well, I decided to try it out. Now, I didn't want to... It looks like there's the pictures show like what looks like legitimate knockoffs of Safariland, Blade Tech, Blackhawk holsters and drop leg accessories, all sorts of stuff like that for significant discounts, but they're made by Chinese slaves. I did... Before I got caught on to the game of the app, I did order some tactical gloves that were whatever Chinese off-brand. And I was just going to kind of look at those. And because I ordered those, I got some free goodies. Now, the free goodies I got, I threw in a thing of patches because a lot of the legitimate patches that I've seen are going for like $7, $10, $20+ and as cool as patches are for kit, I just cannot. I would rather buy magazines or something like that than spend that. So I got a whole bag of patches for free, and I'll show those to you. And then I got a dog gate for my wife because we've been looking for a dog gate solution. And whenever I looked at the ad, I thought it was a kind of like a pull-down shade curtain, but you would go to the side and hook it on the attachments on that side. No, that's not what came. We got a net and some little sticky things we could stick on the wall and the banister of the stairs, and complete garbage. Any dog is going to just run right through that. So I'm not even going to show you the dog gate. That thing sucks. I hate it. Funny story, the gloves, which are the part I ordered, were supposed to be delivered yesterday, and then they, for whatever reason, sent them back to Temu. But I got the free stuff, so let's go over the patches. So I got the Don't Tread on Me American flag, made in China. This is blue or gray. Blue and gray American flag, made in China. Green camo flag, made in China. Green, Do Not Tread on Me. Tan, Do Not Tread on Me. Black, Do Not Tread on Me. What does this one say? Just a Do Not Tread on Me with 2 snakes on the side. In God We Trust. USA, made in China. We the People. And a Back the Blue American flag. Now, these patches seem to be pretty legit. I mean, I don't know. Yeah, I mean, they seem fine. I mean, I haven't done anything with them or put them through hard use or anything yet. So, but I'm going to put some of these on my kit because patches are fun. But I think I'm just going to resist the urge. I know you can find Chinesium and stuff on Amazon and other things too. And I thought about doing, buying some Temu version of something and then comparing it to the real version of the thing. If that's something you guys want me to do, go ahead and comment below. But I don't know. My first instinct is just I prefer to buy like my Carrier Shaw concepts, my battle belt, and the placard and a bunch of mag pouches and stuff. Those are Haley Strategic. They're not the cheap option, but I mean, I'm pretty much bringing the same philosophy from tools for my work, which I'm a floor guy, to my gun stuff. Is I would rather buy a good tool that's going to last longer. I mean, if it's a wear part or something that is just going to get destroyed, like the cheapy flathead screwdrivers that I use as a multi-tool, all-purpose tool in my pouch, I don't care if that's a cheapy crap thing, because I'm just going to beat the hell out of it until it breaks and then buy a new cheapy one and rinse and repeat. But if it's going to be something that I'm trying to use, my vacuum, toolboxes, tools that aren't meant to wear out immediately, I would rather just buy a good one and have good tools. And that's kind of the philosophy I bring to buying guns, armor, accessories, tactical stuff. So let me know, do you want me to do some sort of review between Temu, like just for example, Temu Safariland holster versus a real Safariland holster? I don't have a Safariland holster for one, but I did see the drop leg accessory that they have for the Blackhawk that I do have. That was a legitimate one. And they have some Blade Tech holsters and those like quick detach systems. They have the Safariland quick detach systems. I am kind of interested to see if they're legit. Like, if I mean, I guess the reason why the price difference is like slaves are making them in China versus like people that get paid better in America or the Western world. That's probably the reason for any price difference if they're of equal quality. But let me know. Do you want me to do some Temu versus legit comparisons? What do you think about Temu? Do you get any of your gear on Temu? Comment below, and hope that helps.